Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to strike through in Excel. It is very simple to strike through the text or figures appearing in the cell. So first of all, you have to select or highlight the cell where you want to strike through. As I am selecting this one, and then go here, you can see in Home tab, and here in Font, go click here, and you can see the window is popped up, and here just you have to click that strike through button and then click on OK, and you can see the text is stricken through. Another way to do this is just to select the text and then right click on it, and here you can see format cell, and here again the option is appearing strike through. Click on this and click on OK. You can see all the text is in strike through shape. Now if you want to remove this strike through, select this and right click and again go in format cell and uncheck this box strike through and click on OK, and you can see the strike through is vanished. So this is how you can strike through the text in Excel. In the end, if this video has helped, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.